Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and I'm here to give you a quick look at our top stories for the week. February has been rough for the gold price. After rising briefly above $19.50 per ounce last week, the yellow metal has come crashing down. It was at about $18.78 at the time of this recording on February 8th, but fell as low as $18.65 earlier in the week. What's going on with gold? The dominant narrative is that last week's strong U.S. jobs data stoked expectations that the Federal Reserve will hike interest rates for longer than expected. The yellow metal tends to perform better when rates are low. Comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell have added fuel to that fire. Speaking on February 7th, he reiterated that the central bank is not done raising rates, emphasizing that although disinflation has begun, getting inflation back to 2% will be bumpy. At this point, he thinks it's unlikely to approach that level until 2024. M&A activity was also in focus in the gold space this week. Major miner Newmont approached Newcrest Mining with a non-binding proposal to acquire the company. The deal would be on the basis of 0.38 Newmont shares per Newcrest share. Newmont's move has turned heads in the mining sector, and for good reason. If the all-stock offer goes through, it would be the biggest gold takeover ever. Newmont bills itself as the world's leading gold company, while Newcrest, whose assets span Australia, Canada, and Papua New Guinea, says it is the largest ASX-listed gold producer. However, not everyone thinks the tie-up is a good idea. Although the gold market has been facing continued calls for consolidation, analysts are wondering whether Newmont and Newcrest have the right synergies. Executives at Agnico Eagle Mines and VRIC Gold have also questioned the decision, suggesting that size for the sake of size is the wrong approach. As it stands, Newcrest is considering the proposal from Newmont and has assured shareholders that it will act in their best interests. I want to wrap up with a brief note on the INN team's content from the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. We're in the midst of publishing video interviews with popular resource figures, including Rick Rule, Ross Beatty, and more. They share some great insights, and I definitely encourage you to check them out on our channel. That's all for this week. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and interviews. You can also follow us on social media or click below for our investor report or any article mentioned in this video. We'll see you next time.